Rajneet Singh, and the topic on which I will be articulating today is our Earth in the year 2100. The best way to know the future or to predict the future is to know the past first. This fact really fascinates me, that what will be the exact condition of our Earth in the year 2100. For sure, there will be dozens or thousands of technological advancement at that time. Scientists say that there will be hyperloop used just to cut that traveling time. There will be nanotechnology used in machinery, biologically, or every aspect of our life. It is going to affect us. And the best part is that the scientists say that flying vehicles will be commercially available for everyone, and even the middle class will be able to afford them. But wait a minute, let me tell you the environmental aspect of our Earth at this point of time, which is really degrading by the passage of every year. The temperature of Earth is rising by the passage of every year. 2019 was the year which have broken all the records, and that was the year which was the hottest of all time. And we usually get these kind of reports that this month will be the hottest month, or this month have broken all the records in the past. So, in spite having so much of laws and rules and regulation, unlawful deforestation, cattle raiding, and that high rate of urbanization is decreasing the chance of our humanity to see the year 2100. Yes, that's the bitter phase of our human mankind. Our Earth is being getting exploited by humans, and we really can't justify this statement that there will be a year 2100 or there will be a life on Earth in the year 2100. So just think about it, that the actions which we are doing today, if we are on the negative side, then we are digging our own grave. That's a thing to concern, I guess. And see, whatever will happen, I think that life on Earth should be maintained. And at the end, to conclude my speech, I just want to say that there are many theories also which have shown that Earth will be destroyed before 2100. So just think about it. And yes, thank you everyone for listening so well.